Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is second part of lecture number 22, and in this lecture we will see parameter calculation for one phase half wave control rectifier with RL load having freewheeling diode. So these are the waveform which we have seen in my previous lecture. On the basis of this waveform, we will calculate various parameters of this rectifier circuit. First is average output voltage V0 average, and that is given by a simple formula 1 upon T integration 0 to T V0 dt. Here time period T is equals to 2 pi, and we know that we get output voltage only from alpha to pi. That's why there is no need to integrate over the entire time period 2 pi. So we will integrate only from alpha to pi, and we know that equation of output voltage from alpha to pi is Vm sin omega t. So on integrating this, we get V0 average is equals to Vm upon 2 pi 1 plus cos alpha. What is I0 average? It is simply equals to V0 average by R, because average value of inductor voltage is equals to 0. Now what is RMS value of output voltage? It is simply equals to under root of 1 upon 2 pi integration alpha to pi square of equation of output voltage, that is Vm sin omega t square dot d omega t. So on integrating this, we get RMS output voltage, and similarly we can get RMS output current. Here you need to integrate in two time slots, because the equation of current changes after pi. So first we have to integrate from alpha to pi, and after that we have to integrate the next equation of output current, that is from pi to beta. But from exam point of view, this is not important, but you must know the procedure to calculate this. Only average value of output voltage and average value of output current are important. Okay. Now next is load is current step. Why it is current step? Because output voltage and output current waveforms are not similar. That's why load is current step. Next is it is a half wave control rectifier, and for a current step load, the output power is simply given by V0 average into I0 average. That's why P0 is equals to V0 average into I0 average. Next is power factor. We know that power factor is simply given by putting input power is equals to output power. We know that input power is equals to Vs RMS into Is RMS cos phi, where cos phi is input power factor, and P out is given by V0 average into I0 average. So from this equation we can calculate the input power factor. Next is conduction angle of thyristor. Conduction angle of thyristor is simply equals to pi minus alpha, because thyristor conducts only for this period. And what is conduction angle of freewheeling diode? We know that during discontinuous conduction mode, this freewheeling diode conducts for this period, and it is equals to beta minus pi. And what is conduction angle of freewheeling diode in continuous conduction mode? See in this waveform, this is the waveform of freewheeling diode current, and we can clearly see that we get freewheeling diode current from pi to 2 pi plus alpha. So the conduction angle is simply equals to 2 pi plus alpha minus pi, that is equals to pi plus alpha. Now what is beta? That is excitation angle. It is the angle up to which we get current. If mode is discontinuous, then we get current between pi to 2 pi plus alpha. If mode of conduction is continuous, then we get beta greater than 2 pi plus alpha. This all has already been told to you, so this is very simple. What is peak inverse voltage? That is simply equals to Vm. It is the maximum reverse voltage, and here we can clearly see that it is equals to Vm. Now what is circuit turn off time? It is simply the time for which thyristor is reverse bias, and we know that for this much angle thyristor is reverse bias, and this much angle is equals to 2 pi minus pi, and that is equals to pi. So we get omega tc is equals to pi. From this we can get circuit turn off time is equals to pi by omega. So this is all about this video. I hope you understand this and you like the video. Thank you. Jai Shri Ram. If you got the knowledge and concepts from this video, then please like the video and subscribe the channel. You can give your views and ask any questions related to this topic in comment box. Also share this video with your friends because sharing is caring. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification of my upcoming videos. Thank you.